This is the process how you choose online appointment at VFS Global. So this is nothing but the continuity of my previous video. I've shared the link as well in the description. Go to VFS Global website, apply passport portal, click passport services, and if you scroll down, there are two ways how you can send the documents to VFS Global. One by mail or post, another by online appointment. Online appointment is nothing but you pick an appointment at their center and then you drop the papers by yourself in person. So in this section we'll cover how to book online appointments. So click apply by appointments in this portal. So step 1 is nothing but with the embassy, Indian embassy, so I've already covered in a different video. And again, step 2 is where you submit or create the appointments, but before that, step 3 is nothing but you go create a profile yourself. If you already have, you can log in with this one. And this is nothing but the center address. So I'm trying to register as a new user with the VFS Global for online appointment. Sometimes this is slow, so you have your patience. Provide your email address, and your password, confirm password, and make sure you give your US number and acknowledge all the terms and conditions, and then click register. You'll get an acknowledgement email or to validate yourself. Once you click and validate yourself, you should be able to log in to the VFS Global portal. So these are the addresses, just make sure. So now come back to the same portal and try to log into the existing users. So the previous link is to create a new user. The next link is to log in with the created user. So now key in your username, password. After successful validation, it should log you in. So again, the similar case, so you need to start a new application. So this will cover all the candidates, kind of grouping. Choose your application center. So this is the center where you need to travel personally and then drop. So make sure you choose the nearest application center. There are 17 centers across North America. So this is very, 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 very important. So there could be one city which is nearby, so choose them, don't travel too far. If you are in San Francisco, you have centers over there. If you are in Texas, there are centers over there. If you are in Chicago, there are centers over there. But if you are in Ohio, you choose the travel distance between Chicago and New York. And then the category, so for me it is a passport appointment. And the subcategory, so I'm trying to renew my current passport. It's not a fresh passport, so it's nothing but passport reissue. So immediately it will show you the next available appointment, so you can pre-schedule your date of dropping your supporting documents to the team. So if you're comfortable with all dates, click continue. So here's a reference number. So this is nothing but the ARN number. So if you refer my previous video, ARN number will be provided by the Indian Embassy in their portal. So make sure you copy that precisely to the given user. So each passport or each user will have a unique ARN number. And once you key in all the details with passport number, expiry date, save the details. So you can save it and add any number of applicants. If you are 3 users or 3 persons whose passport about to be renewed, it will be 3 applicants. So the next section will be book the appointments. So this would have been already been displayed, the next appointment date, and make the payments, usually around $19 for each applicants. So if you are 2, it will be 38. Make sure you review it thoroughly with all the details, ARN, passport number, usernames, and then make the payment. So this is the nearest, or the 17 ICAC centers across North America. So these are the documents needed. You need to carry or submit it. If it's a minor passport, pause the video and go through them. If it's an adult reissue of the passport, these are the documents need to be submitted. Please pause the video and go through them. So these are some to-dos at the VFS office. So please carry all the required documents. Don't carry any laptops. You will be not allowed any sooner than 15 minutes. Just go through the instructions. Thank you.